We're kicking off the 2026 camping season in the Smoky Mountains of Tennessee, and I may or may not have broke the camper in the process. Sorry, Pop. Just a nice cool breeze. Just a nice subtle breeze. So I lifted up the jack so we could get it on the hitch of the truck, and either I jammed it or it's broken. But now we can't get the electric jack to go back down, so we are troubleshooting. Right, Pop?
Yep.
To be able to manually lower it with that rod right there, but it's not working. Yay! Okay. Whoop. We got it off. May have broken it, I'm not sure. It's definitely jammed. Did you get it? Okay, we got it. And what I did is I just stood on it, and he cranked it and hit the button at the same time. So you had to do all three.
Now we got to put it all back together.
Back together.
Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Hold it tight.
Damn. Sorry about this, Pop. But I did fix it. That we needed to go counterclockwise. I needed to stand on it and hit the button all at the same time, and then it worked.
What did we learn?
We learned that we don't put the jack all the way up.
There's a white piece of tape down here.
Because it will jam.
Yeah, there's a white piece of tape down here. We don't go past that white piece of tape, ever.
I've never seen such piece of tape. Never seen such a thing.
Yeah. I'm going to say the big screws go in the big holes.
So she said, Pop. This is the tape that he speaks of that says don't go past this line. How was I supposed to know that? Thinking we hadn't even put these on yet.
You need to go way up.
You can't force these things on. Up some more? Or is that what
you're
doing?
Bit, just a little bit.
So this comes with a little tool to get that on there, but we left it on the hitch and drove off. So we don't have that anymore.
2, 3.
All right, not working. I'm gonna try moving the truck forward so it's a little bit flatter, and then hopefully we can get those sway bars on. Stop!
Okay, give me a hammer. What, did I drop some underwear?
Your drawers, honey, get your drawers.
Okay.
Welcome to camping trip number 1 of 2026. And I may or may not have just broken our electric jack.
Woohoo!
But we did fix it. It took 2 hours. But now we know.
All right,
we'll literally never get stranded.
The cool thing about camping is you can just take the stuff from the house straight to the camper. So, I'll let her have the top one, and I'll do the bottom one. We left a bunch of hangers in here.
That's good. Raven thinks we're like about to come and get. We got sodas and stuff in the fridge from October or whenever that was.
In that fridge?
Yeah, I got thrown away.
Yeah, they're probably no good.
You look, Tabasco and Pam. Told you.
Oh yeah, that Tabasco should be fine though, right?
Yeah.
Sweet. I'm gonna go get some food, I guess. Yeah.
Is that Lulu?
Doesn't sound like her car.
Oh man, we got pee pads in here. Cool.
We do?
I wish I would have known that.
I gotta get the coffee maker too, right?
Yeah.
Which one?
It's down there in the cabinet in the basement, and it's just the little Keurig where it only does, it's just a Keurig. You don't have a coffee pot.
Okay.
I want to turn one of those cabinets into pantry cabinets. And so we don't have it all stuffed right here. Well, I know, but I mean, this is going to be all shoved in here. Dog food, chips, everything, all in the same one.
Oh, like one of those cabinets?
Yeah.
Oh, sure. Yeah. Definitely do one of the ones beside the TV, don't you think?
Well, that's what I was pointing at. But then we really can't get to it when we stop. When we stop, we'd have to put those bump outs out. So for now, I'll just put them right here so we can have lunch and stuff.
All right.
And then...
Well, I'm going to get Layla's bed out of the way.
Okay, take that in.
Yeah. Oh, boy.
Over this camper.
It's been a long little couple hours here.
I'm about tired of this thing. Buy a camper, they say. It's wonderful family time. It brings you closer together. I don't want to be close to you no more.
We ain't even started yet.
We're close enough.
Well, I guess that does it for night one.
I need a shower now that I've already showered.
Yeah.
And I need to pack my clothes, and my house is a mess, and I can't leave for vacation unless my house is clean.
Oh, yeah. Well, I'm sweating my balls off, and I'm going to take a shower.
Balls!
God. We'll see you guys in the morning.
It's day 2, and it was daylight savings time. Jumped forward. The time changed, and we woke up an hour later. So we should already be on the road by now, and we're not, but we're about to be on the road now. So welcome to day 2.
Woohoo!
Welcome to Tennessee, Pop.
Thank you.
You're on site 18 up on the hill, and you're
Okay,
Okay,
great.
great.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
enjoy your time.
All right. Oh, that's good. Real good.
And you need to move that because I need my pickles.
Yeah. Move your pickles.
So move it.
Move. That's Tay-Tay when she's hangry.
Yes. I asked him hours ago to pull over so we could eat. No.
I like to make good time.
No, and then we're in a bad mood because we're hungry. Yeah, come down here. Yeah. Come on. Good girl. Come on. Good girl, come on. Come on, scaredy cat. This way. Come on, you wanna go see the water? Look at Pop go, would you? Working hard.
It's tough out here.
Come on. Mind your business, girl. Mind your business.
Man, at least we got one good day.
Yeah. And then really bad storms the day we're leaving, so we're gonna have to leave early.
Gosh, this place is beautiful. I don't know if this camera's doing it justice, but those mountains, we've been waiting all day to take this walk. What are we doing for dinner tonight? Let's swirl it up.
I ain't cooking.
Taking the night off.
Mm-hmm.
Well deserved. Cut it on and on.
Yodelay-hoo, yodelay, yodelay, yodelay-hoo. Can you hear me?
I don't know which one I like more. That view? Or that one?
Yeah, these long legs.
So what are we thinking? Steaks tonight or salads?
I don't know. See how hungry I get.